Yo, what's up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Vicenta's not feeling so well. It was a rough night last. It was a rough night last night. He didn't get a lot of good sleep. I didn't get a lot of good sleep. I felt like every single time that we were able to close our eyes, he was not able to. He's probably congested. So he's doing good right now, but just a second ago he wasn't. It's already 12 o'clock in the afternoon and we're about to go put this drone in the air and go to the park and get some fresh air. I feel like being inside of the house is probably just congesting him more, so I want him to get a chance to breathe some good air out in the San Diego sun. Yo, so today this is the reason why we're outside at J Street Park. This signal booster, we're about to see if this thing's gonna add any kind of range to our drone, especially with these high winds out here on the beach. Let's see. We talked about having days like this, guys. Days where it's like, you know what? You just got to take a second to breathe, enjoy the scenery. I let Vicenta run outside right here at the park. Well, it's technically a park, but it's more like of where I'm at. It's more of like a dock for where you load your boat into the water. It's actually down closer to where J Street actually starts. But for us, some of those shots, some of the views. Yo, so I'm under a tunnel, and you know what that means, right? Gotta let this beast run. I'm about to take a nap, but thinking about the shots and why I'm doing it and everything that was happening today as it happened, and got to meet somebody that seemed like they could be pretty cool. So we'll get the chance to see that in the near future. But for now, I was just thinking to myself when I was explaining what my channel and some of the things I do for my channel, I really hope that you guys appreciate the time that I spend going places to not only serenade myself, but also giving Vicente an opportunity to explore, and you guys an opportunity to see what San Diego is all about. Even if it may seem stupid and little, or it may seem like a beautiful scene, all of these things are what we have to offer here in San Diego. Let me take that. Oh man, do I look like shit or what? Just took a nap. Sorry, dumping out drinks. Just took a nap and woke up from a nap on my way to work. It is 4:37 and I have to be at work at 5. I feel like I just woke up from a nap. Like, not in a good way either. It feels like the opposite, where I could have used an extra little 30 minutes, hour, 5 hours, whatever it was. But we sent us sick, and now I think we're gonna go to the doctor's tomorrow for him, not for me. But let's go ahead and go through our day and see what it brings us, right?